Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix you can't send friend request right now on Facebook. If you're using Facebook and you want to send friend request to anyone, but you're facing the issue that you cannot send friend request right now, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. So the very first thing is that you just have to check that you have a stable and a strongest network connection. You can also try to enable and disable the airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go back from here and open your app store, go for search. You have to simply search for Facebook and you have to try to update your Facebook app. So simply search for Facebook and try to update your Facebook app. If you find pending updates here, try to update that. Then go back from here and you have to open your settings app, go for general, go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you find any connected VPN here, try to disconnect with that. After that, you have to simply go back from here, open your Facebook app, go for friend section, and retry to add anyone as your friend. And you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, so go back from here, tab on your settings option, go for general, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset network settings and the confirmation message pop up. It will reset all of your network settings. It will not delete any kind of your data. So you can easily try this, and after that, your issue will be fixed if it's just a network issue. If you're still facing the same issue after doing that, you have to simply open your Facebook app, tap on your profile option or the menu option in the bottom right corner, then tap on your profile here, tap on three dots under your profile, then select profile status, and you have to make sure that you have green tick here. You don't have red cross. If you found red cross here, so it means that your account has been restricted and you're unable to send requests to anyone. Or if you're seeing any green tick here like that, but you're still facing the same issue, so you can fix that. So you have to go for friends, and here select your friends, and you have to make sure that you haven't reached the maximum friend limit, which is up to 5,000. So if you have 5,000 friends, so you are unable to add more friends, or if you still have some friends to add, so but you are facing the issue, so you have to open your Facebook app again, tap on this menu option in the bottom right corner, then select help and support option, select report a problem, select continue to report from here, then select include, and here select friend request. Here you just have to enter your issue. You have to enter your issue which type of issue you're facing, or you can also try to include screenshots, or you can also try to upload any photo from your phone, or you can record your screens. After entering here your issue or describing your issue, you just have to tap on the send option in the top right corner and your request will be submitted to Facebook support team, and they'll respond to you in up to 1 hour, 2 hours. Sometimes it might be 24 hours, and after doing that, your issue will be fixed. Or you can any other thing you can try to wait. Sometimes it might be server error. So due to some server reason, you cannot add anyone as friend. So what you have to do, you have to open your Facebook app and go for friends. You just have to copy the link of the friend's profile. For example, I'm going to adding this one's profile. Tap on the share profile, or you can also direct copy the link from here. Once your link has been copied, you have to save this link anywhere on your phone. And after that, after almost 1 to 2 hours, you have to re-add or retry to add them as a friend, and you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye.